Well, yesterday was Thanksgiving, and it was 56 or 57, and we were all just so happy, and then all of a sudden, it went from 56, 57 down to like 30 something. Maybe 29 or 20 something in the late evening. Where'd you get the stick? Anyway, it is cold, and it snowed, and well, welcome to the winter, right? But this is nothing compared to what it might be like. We have no idea. Alrighty, gonna go in and make some pancakes or waffles for the granddaughter and the hubby, and Baxter and I are going back in, aren't we, Baxter? It's pretty cold out here. Oh, he wants to play. He loves the snow. Anyway, hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. And as far as that Black Friday, yeah, you can have it. Over and out. Love y'all. Bye. You gonna say something, Baxter?